In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your add to story on Instagram is missing. So first, what you want to do is open up General and you want to find iPhone storage and then you want to find Instagram here. You would locate Instagram and then click on offload app and then you would reopen Instagram and try it again. If it still doesn't work, go back to these settings, click on delete app, and once you have deleted the app, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and download it or update it, whatever needs to be done. If that still didn't work, just open up your Instagram, shake your phone, and then click on report a problem and basically say, I can't add anything to my story. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.